Hey there, it's Mike Thomas here. You guys know me as Mike from Maine, and today we're going to be taking a look at a video called Affiliate Marketing, How I Made $5,760 in 1 week. Full tutorial from a girl called Sara Finance. She has almost 400,000 subscribers at the time of recording this, so it looks like she knows what she's talking about. She also has over 8,000 likes on this video, only 667, which tells me that most people like what she's talking about here. So I'm gonna go ahead and like this video myself. If you guys can go and like this video as well, it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Let's check out this video and see what it's all about.
In just 1 week, I made over $5,700 with affiliate marketing using a brand new strategy that works really well. And the best part,
$5,000 in a week with affiliate marketing is good, of course. Like I like making $5,000 in a week. It's amazing, but it's not like such high money. Like there are people that are making a ton more, but at the same time, there are people making a lot less.
I'm going to be sharing exactly how you can do the same. And I can promise you, if you actually go out there and start affiliate marketing for yourself, you're almost guaranteed to make at least an extra $1,000 per month using this strategy. It's
a pretty big guarantee. She says you're guaranteed to make an extra $1,000. Now, I can say that if people do affiliate marketing, do like review videos like I do, that they can make extra money. $1,000, I mean, yes, if you do it over time, it's pretty easy to make that kind of money if you're consistent about it.
Never been easier than now to start affiliate marketing, so definitely take advantage of this opportunity. But anyways, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so quickly, for anyone who doesn't know, what is affiliate marketing? So it's basically when you promote a brand's products or services with a specific link that you're given. And if someone actually clicks on your link and signs up, you're gonna make a commission. Okay.
It's amazing. All you have to do is send people to a link. But I mean, that's what people say. You just send them to a link. Get as many clicks on a link as possible. But here's the thing. You need to pre-sell them as well. So you need to warm them up. You need to get them ready to purchase. If you just send a person to a random affiliate link, the odds are that they're not going to purchase. They need to really understand what the offer is before they purchase.
Okay. Moving on now, let's actually talk about the affiliate marketing strategy that enabled me to make over $5,000 in just 1 week. So honestly, my strategy is pretty simple and just consists of two simple things. The first thing being that you do need to promote high ticket affiliate links. Now this basically means instead of promoting something that will only make you around $5 to $10 per sign up, you promote something that will make you a lot more money, anywhere from $30 to maybe $200 per sign up. Now the next step of the strategy just pretty much consists of making multiple theme pages on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. And
see, as far as like going out on all these different platforms, I recommend if you're going to get started, you don't try to build like your audience on every single platform. You focus on one until you're getting results, and after you've gotten results on one platform and you know what you're doing, then you can move over to another one. But if you try to do like being a Twitter expert, an Instagram expert, a YouTube expert, I think you're going to become an expert at none.
Able to promote your affiliate links using your pages. Currently, I have 4 TikTok theme pages in the money and motivation niche, and the nice thing about this is you don't actually have to show your face in any of the videos. But pretty much my pages look something like this. I'll just kind of put like a nice motivational quote and have some nice video clip in the background, and that's pretty much what gets views and does well for me. And I know this may seem really easy, but the main reason why most people actually don't do well with this is because they don't know how to actually grow on social media. But I've pretty much found a way to hack the algorithms and get a lot more views, so you don't have to worry about that, as I will be explaining how you can do that later on in this video. But anyways, that's pretty much just a short summary of how the strategy works. But now what I'm going to do is actually give you a step-by-step tutorial that you can follow if you actually want to start this today.
Yeah, I want to see some real examples of this.
First step of this tutorial, which is just picking a topic or niche that you want to promote.
Now she shows the food niche there, but I'm going to tell you right now, the food niche, you're going to need a lot of views to make that kind of money with the food niche.
Cool niches out there that you can look into, like fitness, cooking, or even pets, and finance if you want. So just pick something you kind of are interested in. And once you
finance is going to be the one that you should go into. I mean, I always recommend finance just because there's you can get a lot, like not many views on your stuff, you can still make decent money.
What your niche is, the next step is to actually create multiple theme pages on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. And the reason for this is the more pages you have, obviously the more money you're expecting.
I wonder which one brings in the most money. I hope she reveals that.
Okay, so once you have your pages ready, of course the next step is to actually get affiliate links so you can start making money. And in my previous videos, I showed you how to get affiliate links with clickbank.com, impact.com, and also Amazon Associates, and these 3 are really good. But I'll be honest, out of all of them, my favorite 2 are ClickBank and Amazon Associates, so I do want to focus on those for this video.
I'm surprised she said Amazon Associates, because usually Amazon pays really low commissions, like 3%. How is she going to make, you have to like promote high ticket, really high ticket stuff to make those $30 commissions on Amazon.
I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually find high-ticket affiliate links using these two platforms. Okay, so first I want to show you how to use Amazon Associates. So first thing you want to do is create an account on Amazon Associates. And once you've created an account, what you can do here is go to product linking, click product links, and you're going to see a message here. And basically what it means now is that any product you see on Amazon that you want to promote, there should be an option in the top to actually get a link to promote it. And I'll show you an example of this. So here's a product, and if I did want to promote it, what I could do here is click on text where it says get link. And now you can...
One piece of advice for you, if the holiday season is coming up and there's no reason why you can't give your affiliate links to your friends and family to buy through you. So if you want to say, hey, I know you're going to buy stuff anyways on Amazon. If you just buy through my link, I'll make a little bit extra money. Just a little bit of a heads up. Maybe they'll just do it to be nice.
That link, and there you go, you have an affiliate link that you can start promoting and make money from. But remember, you always want to promote high ticket items. You don't want to only make like $5 to $10 because that's really not worth it. And if you're wondering how to find out how much money you'll make from promoting a product, what you can do is click here on help, click on commission income statement, and here's going to show you the percent you make for every...
Yeah, look at that. Games is 20%, luxury beauty 10%, but like if you look at electronics 4% and home improvement 3%, most of them are really low.
Product that you promote. So some products you make a lot more commission than others, so definitely try to find products that will make you a lot more money. Now next, I kind of want to show you how to use ClickBank.
I wish she had shown us what she's made with Amazon. That would have been nice to see.
Which is honestly one of the best affiliate networks. So what you want to do first is just create an account. Okay, so anyways, once you have created an account on ClickBank, what you want to do is click here on affiliate marketplace. And once you get to this page, you're going to see a bunch of different topics on the left. So you can promote products in any one of these topics. For example, health and fitness. Maybe I want to promote something in the beauty industry. All right, and so here you go. You basically have a bunch of items you can start promoting. So all you have to do is click here on promote. And then what you do is just fill out all the information here, and then you can just click on this, which will give you your affiliate link. And you can promote as much products as you want, and the nice thing here is you can actually get higher commissions, as you can see. And again, always try to promote something that's going to make you a lot more money. But honestly, ClickBank is really easy to use, and there's a lot of great affiliate links. But anyways, moving on.
As far as ClickBank goes, I've made money on ClickBank. I've made probably a few $1,000s on ClickBank, but it's not my biggest one. My biggest one is JVZoo, and my second biggest is Warrior Plus.
But anyways, let's move on now. So let's just say you have all your affiliate links ready. Well, the next step now is to actually create a link tree. And you can create this.
All right, so a link tree, I mean, there's free services. I think there's one called like Linktree that you can use and create this.
On the Beacon's website, and basically what this is just a page with all your different affiliate links that people can access. So it's gonna look something like this, and you're gonna actually put this in all of your social media bios. So I'll quickly make a link tree with...
Essentially, it's a way for you to put multiple links at one link
and show you the result. Okay, so I just put all my affiliate links here, and on the right you can see what the website would look like. And then you can just copy that link up here and then just paste it in all your social media bios. So for example, I have the link tree in my Instagram bio, so if you do click on it, you can see here all my affiliate links. But now the next step, which is the hardest part, is actually trying to get people to click on the link. And obviously there are so many different ways you can promote your affiliate links, like starting a YouTube channel or running ads. But honestly, the method that I'm going to show you is much simpler. So pretty much my strategy just consists of creating multiple viral...
What is this stuff? This is
videos on all the social media platforms. And again, you are not required to show yourself in these videos. And not only am I going to show you how to actually make these viral videos, but I'll also give you some of the best growth strategies that can take your account from 0 to over 100,000 followers. Okay, anyway, let's start with how you can actually use TikTok to promote your affiliate links. And honestly, the main reason I was able to make over $5,000 in just 1 week was actually because of TikTok. So
she probably has a lot of followers, so that's why.
Did with TikTok is create 4 different theme pages, and all these pages were in the money and motivation niche, and on each page I was posting anywhere from 1 to 3 videos per day. And I know that sounds like a lot, and it is, but that is honestly what it takes if you do want to be successful and make a lot of money. Now unfortunately, I wish I could reveal these 4 TikTok accounts, but I can't, because if I do, I'm almost 100% certain that someone is going to come and just copy all my videos.
I mean, I understand that she's worried that people are going to copy her, and that's probably a fair thing. Like, people would copy her.
account that is very similar to mine, and it is this one here. So they pretty much just post the same stuff that I do, which is just money and motivation. And obviously you don't have to post videos in the money or motivation niche. This is just what I'm doing. But anyways, now you're probably wondering, how do you actually make these videos? And there's so many different ways you can do it, but my favorite way is by using Canva. And I do have Canva.
Canva is one of my favorite tools as well.
Description of this video, and if you do use it, you are going to get a free 30-day trial. But anyways, once you create a Canva account, what you want to do is just click up here and then search for TikTok. Alright, and now you're just able to make a TikTok video here. But I understand it can sometimes be hard to come up with TikTok ideas, so I do have a solution for you. So what you want to do is go find videos on TikTok in your niche that are performing very well. So if you find a viral video, you might as well just recreate it, since you do know there's going to be a very high chance that it's also going to go viral on your account.
I always recommend not reinventing the wheel. Like, why go out there and make a bunch of content, especially when you don't know how things work? Go and find stuff that works and make stuff that's similar, and you're going to have much more high percentage chance of being successful.
This video here got over 1 million views, so I'm just gonna quickly remake it. So if I want to remake this, all I really need to do is just find a video of like a city background, which is really easy to do on Canva. And I can also just find photos like the ones used in the video. Alright, so I pretty much found all the content on Canva, and so the next step now is actually to just download each piece of content separately. And so now that all my clips and pictures are downloaded, what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and edit the video on TikTok. Okay, so here's my TikTok video. I pretty much just use the same text, audio, and very similar captions to the other video. And it honestly looks good, and I think it does have the potential to do really well. And
I mean, she's kind of copying it, but at the same time, she's mimicking it. I don't know. It's a little bit of a gray area. Some people might not like it, but I can understand some people saying that, okay, it's all fair game.
Again, I do want to emphasize that I have 4 different theme pages on TikTok, and I'm posting daily on all of them. So if you're actually serious about growing on TikTok, you should do the same thing. Now, I understand it can sometimes be hard for a beginner, so try to do at least 2 pages if possible. But anyways, now that you know how you can kind of create content on TikTok, the next thing I want to talk about is some important TikTok growth strategies. So yes, there are some tricks that you can follow to kind of hack the TikTok algorithm, or at least just boost your growth by a little bit. So the first tip I have is to always use a brand new TikTok account, and the reason for this is if you use an older one, for some reason I noticed that your videos won't get as much views. Now the next thing to keep in mind is your first 5 videos on TikTok should be your very best, and the reason for this is because TikTok uses your first couple of videos to determine whether or not your account is actually worthy of being pushed out more.
It's interesting. I wonder if that's probably based on her experience. I wonder if other people are saying that as well.
Always be using relevant hashtags. This way TikTok can actually show your videos to the right audience. And if you're wondering what hashtags to use, just look at what other people in your niche are using. And another tip that I already talked about that is so important is just always focus on creating videos that have already gone viral. Now you don't have to do this forever, but especially in the beginning when you're trying to grow, this is going to be very helpful. Now
again, don't reinvent the wheel.
Last tip I have for you is please be consistent. You should be posting at least 1 to 2 videos every single day on every single theme page that you have. And yes, I do know this is a lot, but if you are trying to follow my strategy and make as much money as possible, you will need to do this. Now, one thing that does suck with TikTok is unfortunately, you cannot put your affiliate links in your bio until you reach 1,000 followers, so you do have to grind for a bit until you hit that 1,000 follower mark. And honestly, your growth on TikTok...
That's good though. That doesn't make it, like, people won't just start making little crappy accounts and spamming it with links. So I think it's good that they have that limit.
On so many different things. Like, I've had accounts on TikTok grow to over 10,000 followers in a couple of days, and I've had other accounts that took over a month to just hit 1,000 followers. So you do need to be patient, and you have to play the long-term game. But anyways, let's move on and talk about how you can actually use Pinterest to promote your affiliate links. So with Pinterest, you should aim to create at least 2 to 4 different accounts that you can use to start promoting your links. And the way you create content for TikTok would pretty much be the same for Pinterest as well. And to make your life easy, you can always repost content from TikTok to Pinterest. But if you do want to repost a TikTok video on...
I feel like if you try to do all of them at one time, you're going to get overwhelmed with it. So just be careful about that.
Account. What you want to do is go to the website snaptik.app, then just paste the TikTok link there and then download it. And this way it actually allows you to pretty much download the video without a watermark. And one thing to note with Pinterest is you never want to include a bunch of people's faces on your account. This can actually get your account banned. So avoid posting videos that have other people's faces. Unless it's your own face, then that should be fine. And whenever you are posting a video on Pinterest, always post it in the idea pin section. This way it's going to get the most amount of views. Okay.
I didn't know that. That's an interesting tip about Pinterest.
Way you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest, which is by running Pinterest ads. Now honestly,
paid traffic. I know people don't like that.
I don't really run recommend this in the beginning because you are just starting out, so you might as well not pay any money. But in the future, if you are looking to scale, then you might as well test out Pinterest ads.
I wonder if she paid when she made that 5,000.
I've personally tried Pinterest ads, and so far they've been very effective. And I also do talk more about Pinterest ads in my affiliate marketing course. Moving on, let's talk about how you can use YouTube Shorts to promote your affiliate links. So with YouTube Shorts, you'd basically be posting the same videos that you post on TikTok. You can also create different types of videos on here as well. Now, the main way you're going to promote your affiliate links is just by putting these links in the description of each video you post. Now, honestly, I don't think this will convert as well as TikTok, but you might as well try it out. All right, now
this whole YouTube Shorts thing, it's really popular. A lot of people are getting into it. I don't know, I've tried a couple, but I guess people are having results with it. Maybe I'll have to dig into that more.
You can use Instagram to promote your affiliate links. So what you want to be doing on Instagram is just posting Instagram Reels. This is a very easy way to grow your account. It's very similar to TikTok. And obviously you can create all your videos on Canva, and you can also just repost videos from other social media platforms on here. And of course, the goal is to redirect as much people as possible to your affiliate links. But anyways, that briefly summarizes how I was able to make over $5,000 in 1 week with affiliate marketing.
So I like the broad information on this, but I also feel like at the same time, she does have courses that she's trying to sell. So this is, in a way, it's a pre-sell for her courses, which is fair. It's fine. I have no problem with her selling her own stuff here, but I wish she had shown a little bit more and shown like a step-by-step case study of okay, I did this, I did that, I did that. And I would be very interested in learning how much traffic came from Pinterest, how much traffic came from YouTube. If I could have seen that, I would have liked this case study more, but I do appreciate her transparency. Let me know what you think about this video below, and make sure that you guys hit me that like button. It really helps out with my channel, and I appreciate it. And subscribe and hit that bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.